Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to set the alarm on the Casio F91W. For that, all we have to do is press the bottom left button, and that takes us to alarm. We can see the A and L, and then we can see, first of all, that it has the buzzer for the alarm and also the bell ring for the time. This, you can go through cycling through the bottom right, so we can have only alarm and also only time. So every hour it rings, it makes a noise, or both of them. Let's set only alarm. Then for the time, we press the top left corner one time, and now we see the number there. It says 11. Let's leave it at 11, and then we can go ahead and change it to 11:30. So we press the bottom right to change basically the timing. Now it's on 11:30. You actually heard it buzz because it literally just turned to that time. And now to basically save it, we press the bottom left. So let's do that one more time. Let's say we want to set an alarm for 11:25. So let's press the bottom left. We are in alarm mode. Press the top left to change the time. Let's say we want to do 12, and then we want to change to the next time. So let's click the other one again, and let's go to 40, for example. Now we press the normal button, and we're back on our normal schedule and normal time. And this means that now when I press again, that's when the alarm will go off at 12:40 at the 24-hour clock. And that's all we need to know. So back to alarm, and we are back to the normal watch. So that's how you change your alarm on the Casio F91W. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.